After visiting the Vatican, we broke from our tour group for lunch. We set out to find some gelato. We started by walking down the main street directly in front of St. Peter's Square, but didn't find many places to choose from. So we wandered in this neighborhood and found this area quite charming. We found the cutest shop. It was called Hedera, and it was delicious. We sat down to rest and enjoyed a delicious gelato. Also, just look at this. The city of Rome has the most gorgeous water fountains all over the city to fill up your water bottle. It's a little bit of a dangerous spot here. After resting a bit, we headed back to St. Peter's Square to meet up with our tour group and find out the plan for the rest of the day. Now, some members of our tour group went to an excursion to the Roman catacombs. We opted for free time and wandered in some lesser traveled neighborhoods to find a place for lunch. We started by heading east directly from St. Peter's Square, and the road led to the river Tiber and the Castel Sant'Angelo. It reminds me of Vegas and DC. Yeah. It was originally built as a mausoleum by the Roman Emperor Hadrian in 139 AD. It was a final resting place for him and his family. Later it was fortified, and it was actually connected to the Vatican, which allowed the Pope to seek refuge here during times of conflict. Today, it's now a museum showcasing a vast collection of historical artifacts, sculptures, paintings, military weapons, and frescoes. I would have loved to have visited the inside, but we just kept on trucking. I'll be saving that for next time I'm in Rome. Out of all the places we wandered, this particular section of Rome was my favorite area to wander the streets. There were so many interesting shops and restaurants, and it wasn't too crowded. There's another little restaurant here.
We should go here. I don't know what. Wait, we should.
Oh, there's a neat store you want on there. you only stick to the tourist spots, you are missing out. The back streets of Rome are absolutely amazing. This is a really cool area, huh? Ooh, smell that leather. Pretty tasty. Oh, wow. People seem to be waiting in line there. I'm not sure what for. I think this is where we ate, isn't it? I feel like this was maybe where we ate lunch yesterday. Yeah, that's it. So we went past the fountain. On the first day we walked Rome, we passed the Pantheon, but we didn't go in. The line was really long, so today we went back. The day we visited was free to visit, and the line moved continuously. I checked the official website before making this video, and they're going to start charging for entry around early July. It looks like somewhere around €5 to get in, and they did say that on weekends you do have to have timed reservations. So I recommend just checking out the website before you go to Rome. Pantheon is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. It is so incredibly beautiful, and the structure you see today was built between 118 to 128 AD during the reign of Roman Emperor Hadrian, the same one that was in charge of that castle. The structure's dome to this day is still the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. It was originally built as a temple to the gods of ancient Rome, and then later it was converted to a Catholic church. in around 609 AD. Today, the Pantheon contains the tomb of renowned artist Raphael and several other Renaissance figures, as well as several monarchs from Italy. I'm not that familiar with the history of Italy, so I won't go into details, but it also serves as a church. It's a beautiful place to go inside in Rome, and it's also a great place to sit down and rest your feet. It's very interesting that the top of the dome has an open oculus 27 feet in diameter. It lets in the natural sunlight, and it also lets in rain, and there's a drainage system down in the floor that's well hidden.